Sige. Kuya. Nasakay kami ng train. Ganyan. Hug naman kami meron.
There you go, folks. Welcome to Nairobi.
Maganda tel video may sana sa sakay sa cable car. Ha? The next passenger.
Daming pasahero.
Ay, doon din sa Francis.
Yan na kami. Francis. Ano sabi nyo? Ha?
Baklaran.
Saan kuya?
Blooming Street. Blooming Street.
Pupunta daw kami Africa. Africa ngayon.
Sa kaming zoo.
Zoo. Cable car.
Sakay kami mamaya.
Hindi ko yung driver.
Kuya, ano sasabi mo kay mama? Naku.
Kita tayo sa fiesta.
Ako naman. Ay, Bush Garden.
Kita mo to sa buong mundo.
Makikita mo sa buong sa YouTube, Ramtam. Nakakatuwa. Agad.
Kasama ko ngayon. Aking Mi Amor.
Okay, good.
Ito yung last date namin ng aming Mi Amor. Kasi uwi na siya ng Sunday. Para memorable. Ito. Pagkas sa kanya.
Saan ka magpro-propose?
Nandun. Sa may cable car.
Ayan. Yung nasa taas niya.
Pera mo na sing-sing. Wala ko sing-sing eh.
Sing-sing, kuya. Mamaya daw.
Maya na kaya,
Mamaya. Bigyan mo kay ano.
Maya na kaya.
Ayan na. Alis na kami. Nakikita nyo yung mga hayops, pare.
Ready ka na? Wala ka na? Pagdating. Pagdating mo naman sa bayan, binuktan namin mo.
Ha?
Hindi, ano yung dati.
Sabihin mo kay mama mo buksan niya sa YouTube Sabihin mo kay mama mo. Para makita yung mga
Kalokohan natin dito.
kalokohan. Tagal umalis. Dire-diretso lang naman 'to eh. Na attendant. Train attendant.
Yan na. Mas maganda nito sa mga no?
Tagal. Kakainit.
Welcome aboard all passengers. My name is Ash and I'll be your guide. For the safety of all small children under the age of 12 or whose feet do not touch the floor, we ask that you place in the center of the road. This is for their safety. We are now in Nairobi train station. Our next stop will be Congo, followed by Stanleyville, before returning right back to Nairobi.
Anong nagdadrive ng sa makina? The crane na ako.
Alis na kami.
Dating Africa. Manghunting tayo dun.
Mga hunting ng Brazilian, kuya.
Sa Congo siya. Nasa Nairobi.
As soon as everyone safely seated, we'll be on our way.
Mga hunting kami.
From this point on, please do not attempt to change seats or exit from the train. We are now departing the Nairobi train station.
Here, the Polar Express.
As we depart, be sure to look over to your right and wave goodbye to your station master, Nick. Say bye, Nick.
Ganda mo ngayon.
We can do better than that. Say bye, Nick.
Ano yun? Dati yun.
He's your station master here in Nairobi. While the train is in motion, please remain seated at all times with your head, arms, and legs inside the train. And for the comfort and courtesy of everyone on board, smoking is not permitted. If you look up and over to your left, you can see the Skyride. The Skyride comes from Switzerland and offers a bird's eye view of our Serengeti. Please sit down. The Skyride is a one-way trip, meaning you get on at one stop and off to the next. You cannot make the complete circle.
Sige.
Over on the left-hand side is the edge of Africa. Here you can get up close to our proud African lions, enjoy underwater views of the hippos, in a 225,000
African lion and
observation
hippo.
center. Also located in the 16-acre attraction are some spotted hyenas, lemurs, meerkats, and vultures. The entrance to the edge of Africa is located between the Crown Colony House restaurant and the Skyride station. The edge of Africa is a walk-in area. You do have to walk through to see all the animals I just mentioned.
Skyride Station.
Dito sila yun.
This beautiful white building on our right-hand side is the Crown Colony House restaurant. Here you can experience family-style dining at its best while enjoying the views of our Serengeti and all its animals. The Crown Colony is open for lunch and early dinner. It offers both indoor and outdoor seating.
Alright.
We are now entering the Egypt area. Here you can go back in time and discover the tombs of King Tut, and also take a ride on Montu. Montu takes you to speeds of 65 miles per hour.
Montu, we
and
mean
has 7
Montu.
persons. Montu's consistently ranked top 10 roller coasters throughout North America.
Oh.
If you're in the Egypt area, take a ride on Montu, you'll see why.
Galing, no? Nakakita ng live na giraffe.
If you look out to your left, you're going to see part of our Serengeti. We'll be going out there in a little bit.
Montu.
Hindi ko napansin kung dati dito namin.
Those white animals out there with spiraling horns are Adax antelopes. Adax antelopes are known to go many days without water and still survive.
Ito yung matindi oh. No? Ito yung may ikot na yan.
We are not entering the Serengeti though. I ask that everyone remain seated. If something decides to fall off the train, please do not jump off and get it. Simply tell station master me at the next stop and we'll be happy to retrieve that item for you. Once again, we